Your Squarespace website needs to have a favicon, or you might call this a browser icon. You know, the little thing up in the tab whenever you bookmark your website, the little logo that saves with it. Yeah, that thing. Your website has to have one of those. Luckily, this is really easy to do in Squarespace, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. Let's hop on over to my screen. So here we are on my demo website, and you can see what I'm referring to. So this demo website does not have a favicon on it right now, and so you see up here in the tab, this Squarespace, they give you the little block of the cube. All right, and the way you're going to want to go about changing this, you're going to go to Squarespace has just recently updated the menu here, and so now settings is not in this area. You actually have to click on the gear icon and open that up, and then you'll see here right underneath website options, you have Favicon. So you click on it, and you have a place here to add these favicons. Now, it tells you at the bottom down here that the icons should be in PNG file format, and the recommended sizing is between 100 and 100 pixels and 300 and 300 pixels. So you have to make sure that they fit the size requirement there. So I have my favicon already ready to go, and I'm going to show you now. I'm just going to find that window there, and I'm just going to grab this logo, and I'm going to drag it and drop it in there. And if it didn't meet this criteria, it will end up telling you, it will give you an error message and let you know that it was not the right size. And so if it's in there, you should be good to go. You'll notice here that there's also a dark mode option. And so if, for example, if you had a logo that was all black or all white, and it wouldn't go well with both options, you'd want to make sure you had an option for both of those situations if someone had their browser on dark mode or on light mode. And so we're going to go ahead and save the screen now and let you see when this updates. May have to refresh my screen, and you can see the favicon is in there now. So now if someone were to bookmark that, this is the logo that they would get. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website, you can find my contact info in the description below.